Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this short video I will show you how to unzip WinRAR files. I'm going to just get straight to the point and show you how to do this as quick as possible. So this is my archive sample, and there are mostly two ways to unzip these files from the archive. As you can see, I just have some video files in here. So one way of doing this is to open up this file just like I did it, and from here you want to press on Ctrl A to choose all of the files, or you can just press on your left mouse button and drag it like this, and then select all of the files that you want to extract. And from here, if you want to extract all of the files, you need to select all of them, then grab them with your mouse and drag them onto any space in your system. I'm going to, for example, just extract them to the same folder where I have my archive. So once again, just select all of them and drag them onto anywhere you want. And now your files are unzipped. And another way to do this is to click on our archive, then right click with a mouse, and then select Extract All, and all of the contained files inside of your archive will be extracted in this same path in our folder. So let's press Extract All, and as you can see, we have a small window where we can choose the path where to extract our files to. You can also click on Browse, and you can select any folder in your PC to extract your files to. I'm just going to extract them right into here, into the same folder. So let's press Extract. And as you can see, here are our files. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.